take our music everywhere, and we are bringing that into your shower like never before. Moxie is a whole new kind of showering experience. It combines the full, enveloping spray you've come to expect from a Kohler showerhead with the clean and clear sound of a high-quality wireless speaker. The wireless speaker is magnetic, so it pops in and out of the showerhead, and it pairs wirelessly with any device enabled with Bluetooth technology, and it works up to 32 feet away. So you just pop it in and listen to up to 7 hours of music, news, audiobooks, podcasts, really anything you want. And when you're done, you just pop it out for easy recharging of the built-in lithium-ion battery. Moxie includes a speaker stand, so you can play it anywhere. In the bathroom while you're getting ready for the day, in the kitchen while you're entertaining friends, even out on the deck. The 60 angled nozzles of the Moxie showerhead provide full spray coverage, meaning the speaker doesn't interfere with the spray pattern. And the showerhead itself is easy to maintain and built to withstand daily wear and tear. The silicone spray face makes it easy to wipe away calcium and mineral deposits, and the finish is engineered to resist corrosion. The showerhead is covered by a lifetime limited warranty, and the wireless speaker even carries a 1-year limited warranty. The Moxie showerhead is available in polished chrome, brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, and white, so it can match your decor. And it comes standard with the white magnetic wireless speaker. The speaker inside Moxie is now sold by itself and is available in navy blue, chartreuse, cherry red, and retro blue. So now you can Moxie with a pop of color.
Touch of luxury to your shower with Moen's 2-function Velocity Range Shower Head. You control the shower experience with the flip of a lever for a calming rinse or an all-over invigorating spray, which is made possible by Moen's advanced self-pressurizing immersion rain shower technology. Immersion channels water for more spray power than most rain showers, and the large 8-inch shower head offers outstanding water coverage. Velocity is available in chrome, brushed nickel, and oil-rubbed bronze finishes. An available eco-performance model saves water without sacrificing performance. The Velocity Rain Shower from Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.